Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, marveling at the twinkling stars, and wondered what secrets lie beyond our earthly confines? The universe, vast and enigmatic, is brimming with phenomena that are as captivating as they are bewildering. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey to uncover some of the most astonishing and lesser-known facts about space, unveiling the mysteries that will surely leave you spellbound. Greetings, cosmic explorers. I'm your navigator through the intriguing expanse of the cosmos. Together, we'll delve deeper into the mysterious, often overlooked and mind-bending aspects of our universe. From the great galactic dances to the peculiarities of distant worlds, there's a vast universe waiting to be discovered. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for a galaxy of mind-blowing space facts and interstellar discoveries. In approximately 375 billion years, a galactic spectacle awaits us. Our Milky Way galaxy is set on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. This vast cosmic event will culminate in the birth of a giant elliptical galaxy, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Imagine the sky as these two galaxies begin their slow dance of destiny, altering the heavens as we know them. In the void of space, if two pieces of the same metal meet in the vacuum of space, they bond permanently, becoming one. This occurs because the atoms in the metal can't differentiate between separate pieces in the absence of air and moisture. This strange fact of space physics has implications for the construction and repair of spacecraft. Venturing further into the depths of space, astronomers have encountered a colossal water vapor cloud about 10 billion light-years away. This cloud holds a staggering 140 trillion times the mass of water found in Earth's oceans. It's a discovery that challenges our understanding of water's prevalence and distribution in the universe, hinting at the mysteries of cosmic evolution. Mars, our enigmatic neighbor, is home to Olympus Mons, a volcano that dwarfs the peaks of Earth. Standing at a monumental 21 km high, Olympus Mons is 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It's not just the tallest volcano on Mars, but the highest peak on any planet in our solar system, showcasing the diversity of planetary landscapes. Jupiter, the gas giant, often termed a failed star, could have altered the face of our solar system. Composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, if Jupiter had been about 80 times more massive, it could have ignited into a star. Our solar system would have been a binary star system, a common occurrence in the galaxy, providing a starkly different backdrop for the evolution of the planets. Among the pantheon of planets in our solar system, Uranus stands out with its peculiar axial tilt. Rotating almost on its side at about 98 degrees, Uranus's unique tilt causes it to have extreme seasonal changes, unlike any other planet in our solar system. This tilt is believed to be the result of a colossal collision in the distant past, showcasing the violent and chaotic history of planetary formation. Our moon, a serene presence in the night sky, has an origin story steeped in celestial violence. The prevailing theory posits that the moon was born from the remnants of a colossal collision between the early Earth and a Mars-sized body. This impact sent debris into orbit around Earth, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. The moon's formation is a window into the dynamic processes that shaped our solar system. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, is a world of extremes. Its dense atmosphere traps the sun's heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system, with temperatures soaring to a blistering 863 degree F. The hostile and corrosive environment of Venus stands in stark contrast to the serene blue of Earth, reminding us of the diverse conditions planets can exhibit. In the rings of Saturn lies Enceladus, a moon with an icy shell so reflective that it shines like a cosmic beacon. This icy world, with temperatures plummeting to 201 dGe, 330 dGF, ejects water jets thought to originate from a subsurface ocean. Enceladus's geysers hint at the potential for extraterrestrial life, making it a prime target for future explorations. When we look at the stars, we are actually peering into the past. The concept that the light from a star takes years, even centuries, to reach our eyes is a humbling reminder of the vast distances in space. For instance, light from our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, takes about 424 years to reach us. Observing the night sky is akin to a journey through time. The universe's sheer scale is beyond human comprehension. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on Earth. Estimates suggest that there are about 70 sextillion stars. That's 70 followed by 22 zeros. This number gives us a glimpse into the unimaginable scale of the cosmos. Supernovae, the spectacular explosions of stars, mark the end of a star's life cycle. These cosmic events are so bright that they can outshine entire galaxies for a brief period. The remnants of these explosions, such as neutron stars and black holes, provide valuable insights into the life cycles of stars and the workings of the universe. Our universe is home to an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each with its own unique shape and size. From the spiral structure of the Milky Way to elliptical and irregular galaxies, these vast collections of stars, gas, and dust are a testament to the diversity of structures that can form in the cosmos. At the center of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, lurks a supermassive black hole. These enigmatic objects, with their immense gravitational pull, play a crucial role in the dynamics of galaxies. The study of black holes challenges our understanding of physics and the nature of the universe. Which of these cosmic facts did you find the most fascinating, and why? Let's ignite a galaxy of conversations in the comments below. Also, if you have any mysterious space facts or questions, feel free to share them and join our community of space enthusiasts. If you're as captivated by the wonders of the universe as we are, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe for more incredible space exploration content. Our journey through the cosmos is filled with endless wonders and discoveries. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join us on this interstellar voyage. Today's expedition through space has taken us across galaxies, around distant planets, and to the edges of cosmic phenomena. The universe is a vast, ever-evolving canvas, filled with mysteries that continually challenge and inspire us. Keep looking up, for every star, every planet, and every galaxy has a story to tell. Until next time, keep pondering the endless mysteries of the cosmos and never stop exploring the vast expanse of our universe. See you on the next cosmic journey.